Hi guys, it's Mansoor here from Tekmatrix Tech. So guys, in this video we will talk about how we can choose our topics of blogs. So in case if you have a website and you want to write a blog or an article, so we need to find the most relevant topic we can write about. And another thing is that we need to also find out the keyword difficulty, whether the difficulties is high or low, because if you write anything on high difficulty keywords, it is very difficult to rank on Google. So there are two things that we'll be learning. The first one will be uh, how to find most relevant topic related to your products and services which people are looking for. And then another one is we will check that keyword whether its difficulty is low or high. So I'm on the Google. Can you see that? I have just tried for yourself. It's ready bakery company. So if you are into bakery or if you are into construction business or anything, you just enter that, and can you see that when I write bakery company, it gives me lots of options. So these are the topics we can write about. You can choose the country from here to UK or London, wherever you are located. Now you do one thing, just try bakery company or any company you are into or business you are into, just hit enter. Once you hit enter guys, you will see that it will give you lots of other topics as well at the bottom of the search results. Can you see famous bakery brands? So these are also the topics you can write about. So I believe you understood how to write about, how to find the topics. So just try to find another topics. For example, I'm into recruitment business. I'll try USA. Can you see I just wrote the USA recruitment. It gives recruitment agencies in Kerala recruitment process. So what I'll do, these are the topics I can write about, and I'll do one thing to find other topics. I'll hit enter, and this will give me some more topics at the bottom of the search. So let's see what are the other topics that we got relevant to the industry. Can you see USA recruitment agencies in India, or top recruitment agencies, USA tech recruitment. So these are the topics we can write about. Now another job is to find whether these keywords are less competitive or medium or high competitive. So you can do one thing, you can open Google into the other tab and just write keyword volume checker. So once you enter this thing on the Google, you will get three websites. I have opened three websites. The one is tools.wordstream.com, another is thehost.com, and the third one is wordtracker.com. What I'll do guys, I'll just give the names of all three websites at the description so that you can also check out. So on this keyword tools, you need to find out these topics. For example, I want to write something about some relevant USA tech recruitment. So what I'll do is that this is the topic I have chosen. Now I'll check these keywords and these tools. USA tech recruitment. Now I'll choose the country, let it be USA, and I'll click on new search. So we are doing some research whether our keyword is the volume is good or not, because we need to check the volume of the keyword as well as difficulty. So I have already searched few keywords out here, so it's not giving me the other keywords options out here. I'll go to the other website, other tool, and I'll check this whether it has a high volume or a low volume. Same way, I'll enter on this tools also. I'll choose the country United States and click on check. And can you see guys, like I'm trying to find out the difficulties. Use same keywords. Now But giving no results for the query. Now I'll try to find out another word. USA recruitment agency in India. So let's try finding this one. Now can you see that this is giving me the related keywords also, and this is giving me the volume, right? Keyword volume, it says 50, and medium is low. Can you see USA job placement consultants in India? It is a volume of 10, search volume 10, and the competition is low. So we need to find out some keywords which has a high volume, search volume, but low or medium keyword difficulties. It shows competition. Can you see that? So in this way, guys, you can find a topic for your blogs, and you can find the key volume, the volume, search volume as well, and the difficulty as well. So once you get such a keyword which has a high difficulty, which has a high volume, search volume, and low keywords difficulty, you can try to start writing on that. So I believe the things are clear to you. And if you like this video, just like it, just share it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with other videos, guys. Thank you so much. And I'll also give the list of these websites, tools, and in the description box. Thank you.